What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you about Knowify. Knowify is a job management software that helps contractors get commercial and residential work. So to go to Knowify's official website, just type in Knowify on Google or any browser and just click on this first link. This is the official link of Knowify. After that, click on login if you already have an account, or if you don't have an account, click on sign up. Here it welcomes me and asks me about my normal details like name, my password, and my cell phone number. So after filling these details, just click on continue. So from here, it asks about your company's address and your lookup address, the city and the code, and your company name. After entering all of these, just simply click on continue. So after that, you will be welcome to the official page of Knowify. From here, you can create a new job or you can just simply manage the jobs that you have already posted, and you can view your internal projects from here. You can view your catalog, or you can just simply talk to an expert. So this is how you can use Knowify to hire someone on a contract base. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching.